know there is a temple in India which is built on a hill and yet has a hanging pillar? Where will you find the largest monolithic Nandi in India? Or which temple has Asia's largest fresco paintings? Join me to see all of this and more as we explore the mysterious Veerabhadra Swami temple in Lepakshi. Natya Mandapa or Ranga Mandapa is renowned for its dance hall of 100 pillars. The lifelike sculptures of gods and goddesses depict the marriage scenes of Shiva and Parvati. One corner pillar of the hall is hanging. This mystery has puzzled experts over generations. In 1902, Hamilton, a British engineer, tried to make the pillar touch the ground in an effort to give more stability to the structure. But as soon as one corner of the pillar touched the ground, the whole edifice began to shake and created a distortion in the roof and pillar alignments. Scared the roof would fall on him, he ran away. So, how does a pillar hang? The roof of the temple holds the pillar using mortise and tenon joints, and this hanging pillar acts as ballast to balance the load. It demonstrates the sheer architectural brilliance of Vijayanagara kingdom. Lepakshi temple has its reference in Skanda Purana as one of the 108 most significant Shaivite temples in India. The main deity here is Veerabhadra. In the Ardha Mandapa, the fresco of 14 avatars of Shiva measuring 23 feet by 13 feet is said to be the largest in Asia. Another painting shows the builders of the temple, Virupanna and Virana, dressed in royal attire, praying before the deity. This beautiful fresco shows the wedding of Shiva and Parvati. Note how the bride is getting ready with her friends and the colorful dresses. The highlight is the Gopala Krishna mural, which appears to look at you from any direction, as if reminding us that God is watching over us no matter where we are. The frescoes of Lepakshi represent the pinnacle of Indian arts in 16th century. Kalyan Mandapa. It is believed that Shiva and Parvati got married at this sacred place, and gods came down from all directions to attend the wedding. At first glance, this looks unfinished and randomly placed sculptures. But observe closely. Plot the idols on a map, and you will notice how accurately it teaches us Vastu Shastra. In the east, king of gods Indra on his mount Airavat, Agni, the god of fire, in southeast on sheep, Yamraj, the god of death, on buffalo in south, Vashishta Muni in southwest, Varun, the god of oceans, on Makara, and Brihaspati in west. Dattatreya, Lord Vishnu, and Vayu, the god of wind, on deer in northwest. In north, Kuber and Vishwamitra. Shiva as the principal deity in northeast, riding the bull. This is Mainavati, Parvati's mother, and Himalaya, Parvati's father. And here, the holy marriage is taking place. Exquisite sculptures and Vastu Shastra come alive in Lepakshi.
36 into 4, 144 डिजाइन है. Each pillar 4 डिजाइन है. 1, 2, 3, 4. सब अलग अलग है. Total 36 pillar into 4, 144 डिजाइन है total.
Behind the main temple, there is a magnificent rock-cut sculpture of the largest Nagalinga in the country, with 7 hoods protecting a Shivalinga in the center. Lepakshi Nandi is the largest monolithic Nandi in India. The granite structure is 20 feet in height, 30 feet in length, and is located about 200 meters from the main temple. The Nandi statue looks straight at the Nagalinga Shivling. Jatayu, a demigod in form of a vulture, tried to rescue Sita and challenged Ravana. Jatayu fought valiantly, but being old was defeated, and his wings cut off by Ravana. Jatayu fell on Lepakshi hill, and Sita left her footprint here, from where water springs forth to this very day. Ram and Lakshmana came across Jatayu and said, "Rise Pakshi" or Le Pakshi in Telugu, and that's how the place got its name. Plan a trip to Lepakshi. It is 120 kilometers from Bangalore. It is a microcosm of Hampi and much more. Thank you for watching.